Hello, I'm going to make a quick video here about how to fix 2007 through 2013 Tundra tailgate. What you have right here won't open. The issue is the clip inside the tailgate latch falls off and you can't get it to open. I'm going to show you how to open up the back end of the tailgate and fix it. Stay tuned. Okay, so you're going to need a T30 Torx bit to take off this back plate here. Here we go. As you can see from that picture, there's an orange clip and it's just deteriorated over time, and just the bouncing around of the truck, it's had the metal bar pop out of the latch, and so it will no longer engage when I pull the handle. I'm going to try and hit up AutoZone or Napa and see if they have a clip. If not, it's off to the dealership. Okay, as you can see, I was able to get everything I needed from Ace and AutoZone. I decided to buy some new nylon washers to replace the ones that were on the truck to begin with. They've kind of got chewed up and kind of broken over the years. So I'll go ahead and put those back on now. If you can see in there, let's see, there's the new clip. I wasn't able to film it as I put it in, but basically, if you look right there, that slips over the rod. The yellow clip slips over the rod, and you insert the new clip into the latch bracket. It pops in. You set the rod in there. It has a little, like 90 degree bend. Set that in there and clip that against it, and it locks back in. Now you can watch it work here. And that's all that was keeping it from working. Okay, so there you have it, a relatively quick and easy fix. As you can see, the tailgate works now. And that's that. So I hope this video was able to help somebody. If it did, or you just enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you next time.